Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2017 Thor Vegas 25.2 Class A gas motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you at the outside. This is the rear bed slide out floor plan. I'll show that when we're outside. Overall exterior length is 26 feet 6 inches. Exterior height is 11 feet 3 inches. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before we get started. This is a one owner coach. The only reason why the owner is selling it is him and his wife are done with the RV lifestyle. Alright, go ahead and show off the loft bed here. Loft bed is a power loft bed. It's rated at 250 pounds. And a little button here off to the side. It's got a little key for safety if you want to lock it, but push this little button, kind of give you a quick idea of that, and it comes down pretty quick. You could definitely sleep one grown adult easily. I won't put it all the way down, it'll take too long for the video, but anyway, you get the idea on that. That's a Denver mattress, and that comes down to about here, top of the chairs, and yep, definitely one grown adult easily, comfortably, and you can also probably fit 2 kids up there instead of one grown adult. And that just locks away. I'm going to finish up the video by showing you the cockpit before we get to go outside. Okay, you do have the ultra leather sleeper sofa back in the bottom, lay down. It's a jackknife sleeper sofa. You can definitely sleep one grown adult on that comfortably, or 2 kiddos. This coach is, as far as sleep capacity, I believe it's 5, but I'm going to say 5 to 6. You do have a pedestal table somewhere around here, and there's 2 poles that go into the floor there, and that would be your dining area. If you wanted that option, you got it. All your cabinets are going to be a maple finish. Zoom in on that. And your hardware is going to be some kind of a chrome finish. And you do have gas struts, which are nice and convenient for loading and unloading. You do have night shades all throughout, and you do have the frameless tinted bus style windows on the outside. I'll show you when we get out there. Window treatments, well, I've got good lighting. The colors are going to be different shades of brown and tans. A little ultra leather finish right here. Alright, spin around here. Entertainment center area, it's going to be a 32-inch flat screen. And this is going to be your diagnostic center control panel, and I'll show that when we get ready to go outside. Solid surface countertop. It kind of looks like a marble finish, I guess. And you do have a add a leaf extension, countertop extension, and you do have metal ball bearing drawer guides, which is definitely nice, not the cheap little guides, and they're all wood fronts. And you do have a nice pantry here, which is definitely convenient. Big pots and pans drawer, show that off there. You have 2 of them. You do have a 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner's usually a high output. Lid for more counter space. You do have a nice little solid backsplash here. Kind of looks like a tile finish, a subway tile finish. And a convection oven or half-time oven. Not just a microwave, which is nice. Walking into the hallway here, 6 cubic foot nor cold refrigerator, and it's you can adjust the temperature settings, which is nice. It's gas and electric. Flip a switch on, and a couple hours later, you've got a cold fridge, and it is cold right now. The owner leaves it on. Lots of storage space, by the way, on this floor plan. There's your closet in the hallway on there with mirrors. Okay. Bathroom's going to be a foot flush porcelain toilet. It's kind of a high rise, which is nice. You are ducted heat and ducted AC all throughout. Skylight in the shower. Nice finish on the shower wand there. Not just a cheap little white plastic sprayer. I'm going to try to show off all the storage. And before I forget, you do have a little vent fan in here, and you have a fantastic vent fan in the living room. Alright. Oh, and you do have really nice pocket doors here. Queen bed. The queen bed, as I said in the beginning, it does slide out the back, which is a really neat concept. A little bit of storage up underneath here. Show that off there. Walk around queen bed, Denver mattress, I believe, in here. Very comfortable mattress. Your stereo up front and back here are all Bluetooth capable. Nice charging station here. Reader lights above the bed there. Let's walk around here. Show off that walk around queen bed. Nice solid wood pocket door also in the bedroom for privacy into the living area, and another TV, and I believe that is a 32-inch flat screen too. And you have thermostat control in here. Pan out on that. That's pretty easy to figure out. You do have, I believe, a 15,000 large BTU AC unit on this coach, and you have a 30,000 BTU heating source or furnace on this coach. You do have a residential grade vinyl flooring all throughout. Kind of a stone tile look. Okay. Up in the cockpit area, obviously the chairs do swivel around. Co-pilot and pilot seat are ultra leather, great condition. The whole coach is in great condition. Definitely, I think any dealer would agree with me. Nice table here that collapses down and stows away nice and clean. And I'm kind of one-handed here. There we go. Put it on the bed there, and I just did that with one hand, so I can show off the stereo and all the good stuff. Show off the cockpit. All right, it's just sitting on the E450 chassis, Ford Triton V10, 6.8 liter, 305 horsepower, with the 6-speed TorqShift transmission with overdrive, and 420 foot-pounds of torque and 8,000 pound tow capability. There's your Ford badge right there. Your stereo here is all Bluetooth capable, and it is mirroring, so it will, if you have a GPS on your phone, you can mirror your smart device, Apple iPhone, to this stereo, and you've got GPS, which is pretty cool. Show all the buttons are here. Generator start stop button, emergency start button, ties the house battery and chassis battery together in case your chassis battery is dead. Cab lights. Anyway, I should have turned those on in the beginning. There we go. I'll leave those on. You do have a power night shade. Sun visor shade there. Let's go ahead and put that up. It comes all the way down, by the way. Alright, you get the idea on that. Fog lights. And you get the idea. Cruise control. The coach currently has 11,086 miles currently on this coach, and it is a one-owner coach. Kind of pan around here. Lights and your heated side mirrors. Controls right there. Nice cup holder. You get the idea. Give you one last look of the floor plan here before we go outside. There's your fantastic vent fan right there. Alright, control panel here. This is where you monitor your holding tanks, LP tank, which is 40-pound LP tank, battery. All three batteries on this coach are brand new. Freshwater tank, I believe, is a 39-gallon freshwater. Your black tank, which is your toilet, that's going to be 30-gallon. And your gray, which is your sink and your shower, that is going to be 40 gallon. And this does have the tank heaters on it. That was an option through Ford on the Vegas line. Little button for your slide out and water pump. And the generator currently has 50 hours on the Jenny right there. And since we're going outside, let's stop this generator. Paint around here. I like to show off all the buttons. Awning in and out button right there. That's your battery disconnect. Turn it off when you're not using the coach and it saves your battery. And these are your lights right here. Alright, let's back up, show off that HD Max Fiberglass Finish. Basically the color of the coach is bled all through the fiberglass, which if you scratch it, it won't show. It stays the same color, which is really cool. They should have done that a long time ago. Beautiful front, aerodynamic cap. One-piece windshield, all LED lights all around, all the way around, and you do have the full camera package. You do have side view camera package, which is integrated cameras inside the side mirrors here, and when you turn your turn signal on, it shows up on your monitor, which is really cool. Awning, I believe it's going to be a 17 foot power awning. I do want to tell you the only thing that I found wrong with the coach, really, the little plastic shrouds on each arm are cracked. It's a non-issue. It's like a $10 part. But anyway, I find it important to point that out. All the decals are in excellent condition. For one reason, it's stored underneath this hoop barn when not in use. The coach has not been detailed. It's but the sun shines. It's got little water droplets and stuff like that on the glass, but I'm real picky when I do my walk-arounds. But overall, definitely great condition coach. This is where you would put a 32-inch flat screen if you wanted that option. It does have outside speakers. All your storage compartments are all rotocast. You can clean them out, wipe them down. It's where you hook up any of your audio visual right there. And you got HDMI hookups right there too. Oh, and there's one of your poles for your dinette table. Hopefully the sun will come out so I can show off that HD Max. It looks like a gel coat finish. Tires are in excellent condition. They are the 16s with the wheel simulators. And I do believe that is passed through. I'll show it on the other side. Back up here, kind of show off that queen bed slide, which is definitely a neat concept. The sun's coming out. There, that's the other little plastic shroud that's cracked. And anyway, it cracked when he tried to put it out, put the awning out in the hoop barn. You do have the slide out awning on this, and I believe that was an option or part of a package. This is going to be the storage up underneath the queen bed. And yeah, that is passed through. That was where I was showing you on the other side over there. Okay. 8,000 pound tow capability. Says it right there on the sticker. Well, the sun was out just a second ago. Frameless, tinted, bus style windows. Clean look. Show off that Vegas badge there. This is your generator, Onan 4000. Gasoline generator. This is your fuel fill for the chassis. And it's a 55 gallon fuel cell. And the generator does feed off of that. Show off those tires again. Again, it's a little dirty. Coaches. 30 amp power. Furrion hookups. Let's see here. Let's speed up this video a little bit. Tankless water heater right here. Endless hot water. This is going to be, I believe, one of your holding tanks. probably going to be your toilet holding tank, which is the 30-gallon holding tank. Outside shower. This is going to be your water hookups. And I forgot to unlock it. Anyway, real simple. Your gate valves, your dump valves are all in here, and your hookups, sewer hookups right there. Pretty easy to figure out. Water hookups right here for your city water and your freshwater gravity fill, which is 39-gallon. This is going to be your 40-pound LP tank. And more storage. Looks like some breaker boxes right there. All right. At least that sun's out. Let me see if I can show it off. Yeah, it's got a little dust on it, but you get the idea. That HD Max Fiberglass Finish, it looks exactly like a gel coat. Full walk-on roof. Great condition coach. And the only reason why the owner's selling it is because they're done with the RV lifestyle. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad, or you can call 502-645-3124. You deal directly with the owner. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.